Hello, today I would like to show you this vintage Polish desk lamp. It is a retro thing. I believe it's from like 70s or 80s. It was like a modern style that you can clearly see. This is not a regular desk lamp. Everything was like designed. We've got that beautiful look. And it have a feature for adjusting the brightness. The name for that lamp is a zoom light system, which, to be honest, I've got no idea what does it mean, because we can adjust the brightness, and what does mean in terms of zoom, I've got no idea. I buy this unit broken with the adjustment not working. I had to get my hands on replacement, so you are going to see a repair video. So this is like a post-factum video. I've got it fixed, but it wasn't working. And as you can see, it is a pretty beautiful unit. You can of course dispute whether you like it or not. This is like a poor man's version. On the expensive model, here was a clock. Here we just got a dummy placeholder. And you can argue whether it's looking nice or not. But in my opinion, on modern desk, it still has something magic. So you can put something like that. And it is a quite interesting thing. Here is that beautiful lamp in bits and pieces, as you can see. And I've got a replacement part. This is the pot that was broken. It was quite hard to get. This is a 1 mega ohm in the linear scale. Most of the sliding pots that are used on audio equipment, there are logarithmic, because that's how you are hear the loudness, but that one is linear, and it is a quite interesting one. So we should be good to go. Let me pull out the broken one. This is the broken one, and I can feel that the wiper is worn out. It don't go that nice like here. That one is like loose and bad. So let's mount it. This is the lamp inside. We've got our power coming in. We've got that nice ceramic block. It goes through a fuse that is located here, and you've got access to the fuse from the back. Very good design. We've got the main power switch that is a hardware one. Very good. And this is our circuitry. So this is how it looks like. This is just a weight to make it not move. Let's mount the replacement. Let's see, is this a replacement? Yes, it is. It will go only one way because of the alignment of the pins. Okay, so I make a first mistake. That replacement was designed to be mounted in chassis and just feed through wires. You've got wire loops. That one is for a PCB, but I'm pretty sure if I cut those wire loops, it will feed like right through. So let me do that. But the first problem is we cut them. Let's see, does it fit? We've got a success. Does it sticking out enough? Yes, it does. Let's solder it. This is going to be extremely nice job. That is beautiful. And here, very easy, very nice. Very beautiful. We've got a really nice job. I can try to put everything back. This is the broken one. As you can see, the pot have a screw and they are go through the enclosure. So it is a very nice design. And we are screwing the pot into the enclosure. Very good. Very nice. It's holding the PCB, but at the same time it's not stressing out the PCB because all the force go through those screw and the chassis. Very good design, and you are going to hide it by putting that front cover that just have a cutout for the slider. So just take a look and appreciate how nicely does it look. That's a beautiful thing, and this slider looks amazing. It was completely worn out. That one is good. We are going to get a great success. So it's insulated, so it's not going to touch any pins. And we can try to put everything back. Beautiful. That looks absolutely amazing. We have to screw it back. I remember that I was doing this like a month ago. The screw with the thread was here, so that part was for joining the head and the base. And we've got 3 spare screws and the slider. And I make assumption that short screw go here and long there. Of course, we are using a flat screwdriver. Okay, and 2 go there. That's nice. Let's join the base with the head. So this is how it looks like. They are joining together and interlocking using that thing. I do not remember. I don't think that goes from front. No, it must go from the side. That one looks cleaner, so let's try to do it like that. And I think we've got a success. This is how it's going to be interconnected. And it looks amazing. Let's connect it. This is the most beautiful lamp I ever got. On some models there was a clock, but we've got a model designed for a poor people without clock. We've got just a dummy masking. Cherry on top is going to be our slider, and it looks amazing. Now we have to power it on and see whether we are going to get a good fix. So as you can see, we've got a good fix. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.